10 amazing gadgets available on Amazon. Imagine a world where innovation meets practicality, where everyday challenges are solved with a touch of brilliance. The gadgets we're about to explore are nothing short of extraordinary, blending sleek designs with cutting-edge technology to make life easier, smarter, and more exciting. These aren't just tools, they're experiences crafted to transform how you work, play, and relax. From cleaning marvels to creative wonders, this list of gadgets available on Amazon promises to leave you amazed and inspired. Ready to unlock a new realm of possibilities? Let's dive in. Minimal Tag. The Minimal Tag is a revolutionary smart accessory designed to keep track of your most important belongings. This ultra-sleek device can be attached to your keys, wallet, or bag, ensuring you never lose sight of them again. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone, offering real-time location tracking and even a ring feature to help you locate misplaced items instantly. What sets the Minimal Tag apart is its minimalist design and powerful functionality. Despite its small size, it boasts a long-lasting battery and robust build, making it reliable for daily use. Whether you're rushing to catch a flight or navigating a busy day, the Minimal Tag gives you peace of mind by keeping your essentials within reach at all times. Say goodbye to the stress of losing your valuables and hello to a smarter, more organized life. Visco Electronic Air Blower. The Visco Electronic Air Blower is a must-have for anyone passionate about cleanliness and precision, particularly for photography enthusiasts. This advanced tool is designed to deliver powerful, steady air bursts, making it ideal for cleaning delicate camera lenses, keyboards, and intricate gadgets without causing damage. Unlike traditional air blowers, this device is electronic, ensuring consistent pressure for thorough cleaning. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, while its rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance. Whether you're maintaining your camera gear or tidying up your workspace, the Visco Electronic Air Blower is the perfect blend of convenience and efficiency, ensuring that every surface stays spotless and functional. Taurus Uniwarm. Experience warmth like never before with the Taurus Uniwarm, a revolutionary wearable heating device designed for chilly days. This gadget features advanced heating technology, allowing you to customize your warmth levels at the touch of a button. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for outdoor activities, commuting, or simply staying cozy at home. The Taurus Uniwarm stands out for its sleek design and portability. Unlike bulky heating devices, it offers maximum comfort without compromising style. Its energy-efficient system ensures long hours of warmth, and it's made from high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're braving the winter cold or enjoying an evening outdoors, the Taurus Uniwarm is your ultimate companion for staying snug and comfortable. Fiesto Concha. The Fiesto Concha is more than just furniture. It's an innovation in comfort and design. This modular couch adapts to your lifestyle, offering customizable configurations for lounging, working, or entertaining. Its sleek aesthetic fits seamlessly into any living space, while its smart features, like built-in charging ports and adjustable armrests, add a layer of modern convenience. What truly sets the Fiesto Concha apart is its focus on comfort and adaptability. The high-density foam provides unparalleled support, while the modular design allows you to reconfigure it to suit your needs. Whether you're hosting friends, enjoying a movie night, or simply relaxing after a long day, the Fiesto Concha elevates your living room experience to a whole new level. Smart Hola Swim 2s. Dive into the future of swimming with the Smart Hola Swim 2s, a pair of smart swimming goggles equipped with augmented reality technology. These goggles display real-time performance metrics like lap count, speed, and time directly on the lens, eliminating the need to stop and check your progress. Designed for comfort and clarity, the Hola Swim 2s boasts anti-fog lenses and a snug fit to ensure uninterrupted swimming sessions. Whether you're a professional athlete or a recreational swimmer, these goggles enhance your performance while keeping you motivated. With the Smart Hola Swim 2s, you're not just swimming, you're experiencing a whole new way to train and improve. Poshy Vacuum Cleaner. The Poshy Vacuum Cleaner redefines home cleaning with its compact, yet powerful design. Perfect for tackling messes in small spaces, this gadget combines strong suction power with a sleek, cordless design, making it ideal for cleaning cars, furniture, and tight corners. What makes the Poshy Vacuum Cleaner remarkable is its advanced filtration system, which captures dust, allergens, and even the tiniest particles, ensuring a cleaner, healthier environment. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, while its lightweight build makes it incredibly easy to use. Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning tools and hello to a hassle-free cleaning experience with the Poshy vacuum cleaner. Tmice X Customizable Keyboard. Take your typing to the next level with the Tmice X Customizable Keyboard, a gadget designed for tech enthusiasts and productivity pros. This keyboard allows you to customize each key's function, backlighting and layout, providing a tailored experience for work, gaming, or creative projects. Built for comfort and durability, the Tmice X features high-quality mechanical switches that deliver a satisfying typing feel. Its modular design ensures easy upgrades and repairs, making it a long-term investment. Whether you're coding, gaming, or writing, this keyboard adapts to your needs, offering unmatched versatility and precision. Gympid Bench. The Gympid Bench is a foldable fitness bench designed to bring the gym to your home. Compact yet sturdy, it offers multiple adjustable positions for a variety of exercises, from bench presses to sit-ups. Its durable construction ensures stability, while its space-saving design makes it ideal for small apartments. This bench goes beyond traditional gym equipment by focusing on convenience and versatility. The padded surface provides maximum comfort during workouts, while the easy-to-adjust mechanism lets you switch between exercises effortlessly. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, the Gympid Bench helps you achieve your goals without leaving your home. Lava Genie Sampler Guitar. Unleash your creativity with the Lava Genie Sampler Guitar, a futuristic musical instrument that combines traditional guitar features with modern sampling capabilities. This gadget allows you to record, edit, and layer sounds directly from the instrument, opening up endless possibilities for creating unique tracks. Crafted with precision, the Lava Genie offers exceptional sound quality and a sleek ergonomic design for comfortable play. Its built-in digital interface makes it accessible to musicians of all levels, from beginners to professionals. Whether you're composing a masterpiece or experimenting with new sounds, this guitar redefines the way you make music. Pixel Darts. The Pixel Darts are a modern twist on a classic game, featuring LED technology that brings vibrant colors and interactivity to your dartboard experience. These darts sync with a smart app to track scores, suggest strategies, and even offer multiplayer options for friendly competition. What makes Pixel Darts extraordinary is their focus on fun and innovation. The lightweight, durable design ensures precision throws, while the smart app adds a layer of engagement that traditional darts can't match. Whether you're hosting game night or practicing solo, Pixel Darts turn every match into an exciting, high-tech experience. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.